got this awesome battlefield basing set by the Army Painter. Let's do it!
So here is the battlefield basing kit by the Army Painter, which is really cool here. Here's everything out of the box here. First, you get some nice little turf grass, which is very nice here. You also get some more like moss kind of material here. That way you can build it up there. And it comes in different colors. Here's some more finer grass that you can build like a whole lawn or a meadow or anything like that. You get some bigger kind of looking rocks. Now these aren't actually rocks. It's kind of really squishy. It looks like rocks, which is really cool to make your miniatures look like they're stepping over some rocks. And you get some nice little snow here. So if you want to make like a snow theme, this is really nice as well, really fine. And you also get some nice little gravel here to let you stand your miniatures over like little river beds or gravel beds, which is really neat as well. You also get some nice basing glue for free, which is very nice to help you stick these to your bases. You get a color wheel, and you also get a free painting guide to help you on your journey to painting your miniatures. Now on my base, I just used some glue here, used the old retired brush that's seen a lot of service, and just spread it around. And then I just took a little bit of the gravel here and just started putting it all over the base here to make it look really rocky. Then I took some of the bigger rock pieces with some of the basing glue and just stuck it up there as well to make it look like a nice rocky cavern. And I just took some nice little snow and put it on the base. But here is the base. This was my first attempt at a Warhammer miniature, and it was a custom chapter, but I just loved how this worked out, and I did recommend.